PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Okay, haha. Not like that, not like that. I'm afraid you'll get a stiff neck. A fake move before playing basketball right away. Yes, use your shoulders, use your weight and yes. Shift your weight and step to the side. Start with the motion. Shift your weight and yes. Shift your weight and step towards your forehand. Wow, you're much better than me at faking. I have a basic foundation in playing basketball. Now you do a fadeaway jump shot. Another fake move. The center of gravity and the step, consider it as one place. The hands provide force into different directions, creating a fake move. Did you fake to that side? I stop. The force direction is over there. This is the first third type. I align my center of gravity and shoulder towards you. Then the hand goes in that direction. Another fake move. Do you understand? Let's do another one. The center of gravity and the hand provide force created a fake directions. Come and see. This is good. Isn't the power stored in the stomach because of loose hands? Isn't holding in your stomach also storing power? If you adjust your center of gravity and hold in your stomach, is the core storing power? Aren't hands just following along, relaxed? What's the difference? Yes. Pull in a straight line. What I intentionally didn't mention, I see that's how you're flicking it out. Or are you brushing it? This one has stood the test. Do you always think that side is a straight line? Clearly you were hitting it straight out. Do you want to send this ball straight? Actually, it's not. You still see it as a diagonal line. This is a bit abstract. You still see it as a diagonal line. Just hitting it diagonally. Right. Am I hitting straight or putting power over there? Just that I break early. Did I send it straight? No. Look. I just made a slight adjustment. Shifted weight and slightly leaning. Do you notice? But my hand has changed. No. Is there a motion of sending straight from the hand? Whether the hand follows a diagonal pulling motion. Breaking a bit early. Look at me hitting diagonally again. I can't only rely on that. Is this side hitting it? Push it over. Oh, then how about hitting straight? I'll just do it normally. Did the hand change? Didn't change, but you're hitting straight. The hand did change. Simple, right? The hand didn't change, right? Shift slightly to the left with your center of gravity and step a bit. Is it? Alright, now hit a diagonal. Check if your right side is involved in the end. Even though it's belly up, but is the right leg and arm putting power there? Hitting straight. Utilizing the left leg. Let's try another one, okay? Is it the right leg pulling straight? Does the left leg need to push straight? Pull in a straight line. Step around more. Is the index finger pointing outward? Should it be a diagonal pull? Step around and loop more. Should the index finger also bring it inward more? Is that how it should be? Look how much I step around. What about the fingers? Should the racket head point outward more? Is it obvious or not? Let's take another look. It's quite obvious, so should I loop diagonally? Loop more inward. The index finger should bring it inward more as well. Therefore, the body and fingers, as you see, they complement each other. Beautiful. A nice diagonal loop. Is it all making sense? You're talking about our own body. If each part contradicts each other, how can we possibly execute a good shot? But if they coordinate well, right, all your directions are consistent. Step around more. Loop more inward. Good. Bring the fingers inward. Fingers pointing outward nicely. Do you see it? The direction of your stepping force. Is it consistent with the force direction of your fingers? First, start with a topspin. Is speed and reach important? With speed comes spin talk for SMA. Why do you focus on short serves during matches? Why focus on the coordination with long serves? Will they have a steady plan to attack you? Alright, then your opponent won't worry about long serves. If you serve anymore. A short ball again. If your long serve is pushing others, when you serve a short ball again, isn't it due to their concern over your long serve? Will they dare to step forward and receive yours? But if your long serve lacks speed, they will focus on the short ball. When SMA first reacts to the long serve, do you feel that you are not fast enough? My response to the second serve is timely. They won't have concerns about the long serve anymore. They will be fully prepared to handle your short serves. It's important for the long serve to be fast. Do you understand? No matter what you serve, must be fast first. Otherwise, the long serve is useless. With speed, try to add strong spin. Various combinations become tactics. Right? Thinking fast is simple. Keep your hitting point low. The closer you are to the table, the less chance you have to slam. Do you agree with this thought? Because your first intention is to serve long. Your first step should be close to your baseline. So, should you be parallel to the table? Is this clear? So, whether it's a hook serve, haha, what are you doing? Haha. What are you doing? Haha, no. Are you trying to fake a forehand? Oh, I see. You need to shift your weight and step around him. Understand, not with your head, right? Shift your weight towards him. Move your hand in that direction. My weight and direction are towards him. Clearly, my weight and direction are aligned in a straight line. Why am I swaying? My whole body is facing this way. The core and the hand exert force in opposite directions. Is there any swaying motion? Oh, let's take another look. Right? Understood.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.